everybody, on behalf of the NAGA community and also NAGA as well, I hope you're all having a wonderful start to the Christmas break, and we wish all of you a happy new year and a more successful 2021 overall. Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at themes and possible moves that we can expect to look out for in 2021. Now we're going to swerve past the recent curveball that's being brought to us by the UK government when it announced a new form of the coronavirus that is spreading rapidly, because countries have moved very fast to close their borders with the United Kingdom. It happened within days. This does suggest that the risk of this new variant of the virus having an impact on global market volatility into 2021 based on its spread to other nations is more limited. At the same time, we have to keep our fingers crossed and hope that this new variant of the virus will still be able to be defeated and overcome from the vaccines that regulators are approving day by day for world use. So we're going to take a move away from that kind of trend. What we're looking to instead of what we can hope for and look forward to in 2021. Firstly, in just 1 month from now, at the end of January 2021, President-elect Joe Biden should be inaugurated to become the new president of the United States of America. And this has caused and encouraged even more of what is a metaphor of 2021 being the perfect storm for dollar weakness. From Biden's policies seen as helping weaken the dollar because we should see more US economic and monetary stimulus, from him being more on the side of the Federal Reserve in terms of the Federal Reserve keeping its monetary policy very accommodative to the pandemic and the shocks that the United States economy is bringing in, and also to the advisors that Biden is expected to appoint into senior positions of the United States economic policy front being doves. Now by doves, this means they are going to be downbeat on the United States economy, which means they're more likely than not to continue to favor very loose and accommodative policy support, whether that's monetary stimulus, governments handing out money, or the central banks just keeping interest rates at extremely low levels. This all suggests that we should see the dollar continue to weaken into 2021. It is the most popular trade, and even the most contrarian of someone is finding it very difficult to provide reasons why the dollar should strengthen into 2021. And it looks like the cycle of dollar strength, which we've seen now since 2014, 2015, continued past the last 5 years. This should end. So we're looking at the prospects of a stronger euro into 2021, specifically stronger joy for emerging market currencies, whether that spreads from the South African rand, Turkish lira, Russian ruble, Brazilian real, Mexican peso, or further afield towards Asia, because we should see a calming tensions between the United States and China, which suggests that we could see more gains for currencies like the Malaysian ringgit, Singapore dollar, Indonesian rupiah, Indian rupee, and so on throughout that region. We do expect for global currencies ongoing basis to be able to see more prospects of celebrations and joy against the US dollar. One other trend that we do expect to see from the Biden administration, this is something that's already been feared and looked into in the market, is that there are concerns that Democratic lawmakers, if Democrats have more power, they are going to come down hard on the technology sector. So some of those stocks and those industries that moved astronomically in 2020 based on the pandemic, stay at home, the drive towards technology stocks, they could come under more regulation under the Biden administration. So we're going to be watching for technology stocks and whether we do see a pullback in those share prices. There's going to be a lot of other exciting topics that are going on. Overall, 2020 will be remembered as a very volatile and unprecedented year for global financial asset classes. Now, we hope that 2021 is not so unprecedented, because we do hope that we exit this pandemic and things begin to get back to normal. But there's going to be a lot of investor rotation trades that are going to take place, which does mean and suggest that global markets overall should remain lively into next year. And that does also pinpoint out that we should see continued market volatility across a wide range of different asset classes as well. Once again, on behalf of the NAGA community and of NAGA, I hope you all have a successful and happy new year. We hope you all do very well in 2021. We wish you continued health and safety, and reciprocate that message to your loved ones as well. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you will be watching out for in 2021, because it will be a very interesting year for us all. Please also do not forget to subscribe to NAGA's social media channels for the latest news, analysis and updates. Thank you, and I will see you again in January.